I never got the chance to draw this dinosaur before. Oh well, what the heck?
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Tonight, we're gonna draw Deltadromeus. I know it's been a long... I know I've never really drawn this dinosaur before. However, I'm giving this one a chance.
DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Getting started. Let's draw his tongue. Man, Jurassic World Live really opens my eyes. Just a reminder, this episode was recorded in February 26th, 2023.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
There we go. Here are his fingers.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
You can learn a lot from history.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
There we go. I know what you're thinking. This is how it runs. It's not easy if you have no shirt on. But I'll manage.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Here we go. There we are. Now the next thing to do is to draw his tail.
DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
I haven't exactly yet figured out how or where this dinosaur was founded. But I'm finding out right now. Alexa, what is Deltadromeus?
From LaunchboxApp.com, Deltarune is the role-playing game created by Toby Fox, released in October 31st, 2018.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr.
Something doesn't
Peabody
feel
and
right.
his boy, Sherman.
Alexa, can you tell me about the dinosaur known as Deltadromeus?
From Wikipedia.org, Deltadromeus, meaning delta runner, is a genus of theropod dinosaur from northern Africa.
There we go. That much sums it up. Alright, that takes care of that.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Now let's draw these small spikes below his back.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Let me see if I can fix that. And finished. I have plans on drawing other dinosaurs, such as Mapusaurus. As soon as I find the photo for it, I'll draw it as soon as I find it. That's a vow. Anyway, I better sign off for now. Until I can find this picture. Mapusaurus and Deltadromeus might have been a good addition to Jurassic World Live. This show goes out to them and only them alone. Consider this my thank you to all dinosaurs out there.